Is your shortcut bar not showing? Let's fix it. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Launch the Facebook app. Head to your profile. On your profile, this is the shortcut bar. First is the menu, next is groups. The next one is watch for videos. Next is for marketplace. And the last is notifications. Is any of this not showing? Let's fix it. Click on the three lines at the top right hand corner. The three lines at the top right hand corner. Scroll down to settings and privacy. Click on settings. Scroll down to shortcuts. Shortcuts. This is the shortcut bar. Click on that. This is where you can choose which shortcuts Facebook can use to personalize your shortcut bar. You can toggle on any of them that is not active. Just toggle on any of them and turn them on. If you want group to show, toggle on it. Next is notification dots. Choose which shortcuts will show you notifications dots. You can toggle on any of them to turn them on. This is how you can fix shortcut bar not showing on your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.